Animal moms and their babies. Hi friends. Welcome back. Today we're talking about something very special, moms. But not just any moms. Animal moms and their adorable babies.
Mama bear and her cubs. Look, it's a mama bear and her cubs. Bear moms are super strong and very protective. When cubs are born, they're teeny tiny, about the size of a can of soda. But don't worry, Mama Bear cuddles them in a cozy den and keeps them warm all winter. Bear hugs are the best.
Duck and ducklings. Here comes a proud duck mommy and her ducklings. Ducklings follow their mom in a straight little line. Quack, quack, quack. Did you know ducklings know their mom's voice even before they hatch from their eggs? That's right. They start listening inside the egg. How cute is that?
Elephant moms. Whoa, that's a big mom. Elephants are amazing moms. They carry their babies in their tummies for 22 months. That's almost 2 whole years. It's like one big, happy elephant family.
Kangaroo moms. Boing! Here comes a kangaroo mom. Kangaroo babies are called joeys, and they ride in their mommy's pouch like a backpack. When they're born, they're only the size of a jelly bean. They stay cozy in the pouch until they're ready to hop on their own. Hop hop, hooray for kangaroo moms.
Penguin parents. And what about penguins? In some penguin families, dads help too. While the mama goes out to find food, the daddy keeps the egg warm by balancing it on his feet. That's what I call teamwork.
Animal moms are amazing, don't you think? They keep their babies safe, warm, and loved, just like your mom does for you.
Thanks for watching, friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back tomorrow for more animal fun.